This is where is this from? My name. Let's use a new one. So we can back. So I allow.
Allow just.
Okay. Okay. Let's say. Okay. Okay. Once you online with this icon, yeah. So you can go to here. You upload the programs from what is inside the camera, the vision. Same thing. Okay, never mind. Let's say we stage code. Label. Okay. Let me open another program. Okay. Long mission or is it the
UK.
ah
Okay. Cảnh thang em bơi đấy. Ông muốn ngồi đây không? Đây cảnh sang có cảnh sát đây. Nó cũng ngồi. Program Từ trước mắt ạ. Có lần đâu lần thì có chạy đi nhau lần này đến lần không được. Trời, thì em tưởng anh kia cóp cho anh cái USB tưởng là video. Thế, nhưng mà hôm đấy cũng không có gì mấy, có gì mấy đâu.
Actually, I'm not sure if it come with it. There is actually two sample like this white color plate. This sample.
What do you need?
Because I have another sample, the same thing, but there is two white color plate where it take image, and then based on this image, it identify what is the pattern. Yeah. So I'm not sure if it's available here.
Kết xong lấy cái khác. Anh kể lấy thêm luôn một con symbol ốc. Lấy symbol ốc, một cái ốc ở đấy.
This one is for you use it for calibration, I suppose.
Yeah.
There is another method where you can actually use for to calibrate. We just need to use something. So for this, every single cube is 5 mm. And you just have to place it, or even cut smaller. Because the thing is, if let's say this pattern is not straight as parallel, your datum, XYZ datum, will be changed as well. So let's see. Yeah, right now the world coordinate is the actual coordinate based on the calibration, the camera calibration. So you can calibrate this. So over here, use manual. Oops. Okay, first get point. Maybe we change this to here. Then we add another point. Okay, sorry. So we tell the system that this is 5 mm. Image 2 over here. Sorry. So here another point 10. It needs a minimum of 8 points as stated here. So select here another point 0, 15. So this is 0, but the y will be 5. sorry, five.
Người thế này. Đây là người ta thôi. Cái này là người đâu? Vừa nãy là người đâu?
Đây ông đang chỉ cách collaboration nữa anh cả hiểu không?
Chưa hiểu lắm.
Hiểu.
Wrong.
Ông đang chỉ cách clip cái con camera này thì là chạy chế độ clip manual còn ít nhất là 8 điểm. Ông đăng ký 8 điểm đấy, nhưng cái kích thước là biết sẵn rồi, 5 ấy. Thế mà tiến lên lấy 8 điểm thôi.
We need to make it enlarge this. Okay, so from here, you're telling the camera that this is 0.1, 2 is offset of x 5 mm, 10, 15. Then this is number 5, 5 with an offset of y 5 mm. Here what is this? 6, 7 and 8. After that, finish and send this to the device, which is sent to the camera itself. So once you calibrated it, it will look somewhat like the pattern. Then you can actually use this to capture the, let's say, your vision goes to detect your workpiece, the part position, even the orientation. Then to read this position back to the PLC for whatever movement after that. Like when you pick it up, correct it and place it somewhere else.
And it's in millimeter, right? Millimeter.
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 Yes, millimeter. Yes. So right now in this program, if we look at data output, it is where right now it is set to 3, having a 3 float, and the result is coming from here. So example, in this program, right now is output path, which is this one. So if let's say there is a result of 1, if to know what this tools is doing, is actually once you double click it, is actually trying to compare if this 230 is equal to 4. If it's equals to 4, then you'll show 1, otherwise it will show 0, which is invalid. Of course, for 30, because you have to, so to understand this, you have to slowly trace back one by one what exactly goes to 30. Like for example, 30 is a sum of tools number 28 and 29. So 28, for example, 28 is to check diameter 1 of 13. Okay, name A. Go to display. Check for the diameter of circle. XY coordinate. But it's very hard to tell. How can I do this? Okay, I do not have a HDMI port here, but this is
HDMI?
yeah. For mine, I don't have HDMI.
Yeah.
So okay, from maybe we will have to move it closer. Or is there any VGA?
VJ? Maybe we have some gender.
Oh, I guess.
Cái đấy em mở cái file giống như file rồi. Em mở cái file em vào desktop. Desktop.
VGA.
Photo. Mở file vào đây. File giống như cái gì. Có Vision đúng rồi.
요거 gender.
Cái Vision. Đóng lại.
You will find the gender.
Oh,
1 minute.
Thank you. Because over here I have the actual example, so it's easier to show what is this actually doing. This is all the tools. I suppose you guys have experience with Vision before. You have? Okay, Ken. He has it. He has the image. Okay. Where in the beginning was this for? This is doing nothing. Okay, for example, this tools is actually based on block tools. It uses to find they uses the difference between the brightness to find what is required. For example, in over here, uses brightness within the range of 0 to 210. So if you see over at this side, whenever you move, you will see that the brightness until here is 170. So anything between these two, it will highlight. And based on this, it calculates where is the coordinate center of gravity. So the next tools actually make use of the first reference, the reference of the center of gravity, and plus offset. So it's roughly around here. And you also detect based on it will filter off the range of brightness. Then over here you will get another set of center of gravity. So the next tool is by making use of this one to know where should it detect. This is to find the circle. And this is to verify saying that if it's between 90 to 180 for the diameter. Then to detect this based on this circle tools. And again, using brightness as a filter. So if the area is between this range, it is 1. Otherwise it is 0, which is invalid. So right now the area of this circle is actually 14,900. And it is within this range. Next one is actually to find the second point. The vision program itself will first find this point and then find this other point. So it based on here, sorry, went over until here, the point 2. So again, it is based on this, the first reference, the center of gravity, and offset to find any what the area around here. Between between 0 to 190. And to find a rough gauge on the center of gravity before using a circle tool to find the circle. And again, check for the diameter between if the diameter is within 90 to 180, which you can see from here. So for this is between 90 to 180, so it's a true. It's 1. The area. So again, the next one is to compare for this 225. This area, the area of the circle is 14,500. So it's also between the range. Okay. then it sums up f1 the function is called f1 plus f2, which is the result from check size diameter 213 and 224. So over here with 213 is 1, the value is 1, 24 is 1, so sum up is 2. So for 29, it sums up this two, the result of this area. So for this is same, we sum up 28 and 29. And finally they compare if the result is equal to 4. So based on here, hold on, 41 and 52. Point to point check, is it possible? Result. You don't understand anything.
Actually, almost of our we have no experience.
Okay.
In this vision.
Okay.
So I think I don't know what is the content of your training course for our. This content you can the first is content of the training course about the
So
vision of you.
yeah, sorry, bro. So basically, we maybe the